So this is the Casio G-Shock PIGALLE edition. As you can see, it has a chrome face. We have a white resin band. Now the white is not pure white. It's a bit of a dulled down white. Some of the detailing here. We have the logo on the band, and then we have some pink trim. More of a salmon, actually, not really pink. It's a really nice trim along that side. And then on the other side, we have the alternative logo, some more trim, and some bronze accents. The bronze is actually a really nice touch in this case. We have Casio Japan there. And on the back, we have It's All About the Right Timing. Paris, Tokyo, DW5600 PGW. This is a really nice watch. Some always high quality stuff from G-Shock and Casio. And I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's lit up. The PIGALLE logo in the background there. And aside from that, it is a classic G-Shock as you would expect, but super nice piece, super clean. Definitely a very nice trim with the bronze. I definitely recommend getting this if you can. I got mine on Grailed for about 70 USD, so about $90 Canadian. This is definitely worth it.